Yo, what is up, YouTube? Killakam, and what a long 2 weeks that has been. But your boy is back. I got my dad back there on Jelly Bean, and Jelly Bean has some fresh meat on her. I'm gonna have to go look at those tires and see exactly what they are and put them down in the description to see if you guys have any common knowledge on the tires. My dad just put on good old Jelly Bean, the Kawasaki Vulcan 650. And boy, oh boy, do I have some explaining to do. I missed you guys, man. Let's go ride. Oh my goodness. The gunner's still alive. I'm still alive. Jelly Bean's still alive. The R6, yeah, it's probably like half alive. Nothing mechanically, but she does not look herself. I'll have to go over that eventually. I'll make a video on that. But your boy's officially back to YouTube. God, I haven't done a daily 100 in ages, and that's for all of you guys for waiting, sticking around for your boy. I have so much to tell you in this video, and I just want to apologize for the break I took. I had to take it. Believe me, I didn't want to take it. I missed the channel so much, and the amount of support and love you guys showed me across all the platforms was amazing. I knew you guys cared, like enjoyed the videos. I just didn't think you guys liked them that much. I'm just a goofy 22-year-old who loves motorcycles and loves spending my time with my dad. So the amount of support I got from the break and you guys checking in on me just consistently was just amazing. It made me feel good, and I really do appreciate it. I want to disclose what happened to me probably later down the road. I don't really want to talk about it right now, but eventually I want to be able to tell you guys what happened so you learn from my mistakes and experiences, you know, because we're all trying to grow together, and that's just what I want this channel to be. And I really, really want to say thank you guys for sticking around and supporting your boy. I just didn't want to make a comeback video and not actually be able to consistently come back, and I feel like I'm at a point now where I can come back to the channel and just show you the love for bikes and ride some new bikes. And I'm actually moving out of the Tallahassee area. I'm moving in with my girlfriend, and she's in South Carolina, and you guys know, if you guys have ever been in a long distance relationship, those are pretty difficult. So it's the correct move, it's the right move, and I've loved the Tallahassee area. I would have liked to meet you guys. Still gonna have family here, so I would like to have a meetup down here for all the originals, the OG Killakam subscribers around in the area. But if any of you guys are in the South Carolina area, I'm gonna have a lot of new roads to hit, a lot of new people to meet, and it's going to be a great time. I'm really excited for it, and I'm so happy I can be back on this channel. I just can't say thank you guys enough for sticking with it. I hope up there I'm going to have some back roads not too far away, because that's my favorite thing to do. Yeah, traffic's fun on a sport bike, but there's nothing like just sitting on your cruiser, letting it almost stall out in 5th gear, and relaxing like you're on a roller coaster. On these back roads where you're not messing with anyone except for these butterflies that are everywhere. I'm really gonna miss riding with my dad. That's one thing that won't be able to happen so frequently, and it sucks that my predicament happened right before I decided I was moving, so I really haven't been able to touch the bikes, haven't been able to ride with him, and he's been riding non-stop. I don't even know how many miles he has on Jelly Bean back there. Hopefully I'll have some time this week to jump on her and do my review of those tires. I think that would be a solid video to share my input, because they're not the stock tires, so anything has to be better than stock in my mind. So you put some real tires on Jelly Bean, the Kawasaki Vulcan 650, I bet she's gonna rip, and she's gonna love those corners. I was pretty comfortable at the job I had. I had the same job for 5 years once I got it at 18. I'm about to turn 23 this Sunday. So I got one last week of being 22-year-old, and then it's Jordan year, 23. Oh man, we're getting old. I remember being 18, buying my Yamaha R6, and just that insurance was so high, and I did not need that bike at 18. Just me loving speed. I'm so glad I didn't record or try to record back then, because those speeds that I would do on that bike was not okay for public road and did not need to be seen on YouTube. An 18-year-old on a super sport bike or a sport bike just does not need to happen. I mean, it can happen. You're gonna have the people that say, oh, I can handle that, or no, man, 18 years old on a sport bike, you're joking. That's way too much fun. The job finding process has been really new to me, though. I have a few interviews. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I have a few interviews, but that's all really it. Your boy's gonna have to be grinding. So the comeback to the channel is here, but your boy has to find a new job, move, get settled in. Oh my goodness, find my gym, find the bank. I got a lot of stuff to do, and I want to be back on YouTube. So it's going to be really interesting. And I don't have a truck or trailer to get the bikes up there, so we're going to rent a U-Haul. And if you guys have any knowledge on what I need to do to strap these bikes down, I'm putting them in a U-Haul, probably going to put the futon in between them and like a mattress on the side, because the R6 still doesn't have fairings on it, but the gunner is not. I'm not dropping the gunner. Not to say I want to drop the R6 while we're moving, but if there's a bike I would choose to get dropped, it would be the R6 over this gunner, because this gunner is finally looking into shape. It's nice and clean. I don't want a dented tank. I don't want any of that. I would be heartbroken. So they're going to be strapped down to the max. And if you guys have any knowledge on moving them in a U-Haul, an open trailer, or anything, any ideas, anything, just leave it down in the comments. I'm going to read them, and I do appreciate it. I just want my bikes to get up there safely. That's like the biggest thing on my mind. Since I haven't been riding lately, I've been letting my dad hop on the gunner more frequently, just so it still gets some miles, it still gets ran. I would still start them up in the garage periodically, but I wanted to get the juices flowing. So he's getting really comfortable on this gunner, and it's great to see for whenever he moves up from that Vulcan. He still loves that bike though. I don't care what he says. Oh, I saw this. Oh, what was it, man? It was this new Indian, and it was just so gorgeous the other day at lunch. The brand new Indian. It was like this green with cream color. Oh my god, it was just gorgeous. It was on my Instagram, but it was just absolutely gorgeous. Like, it was a great bike to see. Dirt. You just gotta watch out for that sand, that dirt on these back roads. You guys, I feel like I'm gonna say this all day. I miss these bikes so much. I miss this channel so much. It's insane. I don't feel like the same person when you take the bikes away, or I can't ride them, or it just sucks. Any rider knows it just sucks. Like, once you've been doing it for a while, or even if you're newer and you realize you can't ride, it is probably the worst thing you can do. I remember when I first got my R6 at the age of 18, I broke my ankle right after that happened. So I think the ankle only takes like a month or 6 weeks. So I couldn't ride my brand new R6 at 18 for a month or whatever it was, and that was even painful. Imagine buying a new bike and then being told you can't ride it because you have a cast on your leg. Oh, but this was even longer, 5 to 6 months, and then I would touch them. I've probably only touched them a handful of times, and it's crazy to even say that. You have a Yamaha R6 and a Victory gunner just sitting in the garage. I know it probably seems like I'm just rambling on this video, which I really am, to be honest. I just have a lot going on right now, and I'm just really excited to be back and just to see where this channel can go. You guys stuck around, and it means so much to me, honestly. So leave anything down in the comments. I'm gonna read like any comment you have down there, and I just want to say thank you guys for sticking around. I'm gonna go enjoy this time with my dad. I don't have too many rides left down here without me having to drive 3 hours to meet him halfway. So you guys enjoy your Sunday. I'm back, and I'm so happy to say that. Thank you guys so much for sticking around. Killakam out.